How to winterize your property. What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm gonna tell you in under 60 seconds how to winterize your house. This is a property I'm just working on right now. Obviously, I don't want the pipes to freeze and it's getting pretty chilly out, so need to winterize it. And before I even tell you how to do it, if you keep the heat on throughout the winter, obviously that's gonna stop the pipes from freezing. Now, you still have to winterize the outside hose bibs just by turning them on, letting the water run out of them, but you know, keeping the heat on is one option. But if you wanna maybe save some heating bills and it's a vacant property, then the very first thing you need to do is find the main water shutoff and turn that off. Now, the main water shutoff is usually in the basement. In this house, there's actually no basement, so it was in kind of like the bathroom area on the main floor. So we turn that off, and then you go around to all the sinks, toilets, showers, everything, and we let those run. Actually, you can hear it in the background. We let those run and drain out, and eventually they should drain out to the point where there's no more water coming out. And that's how you know you've winterized the property. There's no more water in the pipes for it to freeze and expand and burst the pipes, because that can be pretty costly, obviously. And you can also pay people to do this. You can pay a plumber like $200, $300 to winterize your house if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself. So either way works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please share, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.